that I will hold close to my heart, because not only did I laugh when my dad told me, also at the same time, there was a time in my life when I was a young kid where I thought I was the man. You know, where I thought, oh, you know, I was fearless in school, but it was so true. I was joy, you know, so it was meaningful for me, and it was, I can honestly say it was life-changing for me to hear this story from my dad. And the reason why I want to share this is because all the kids that are part of the Special Olympics team, they are joy of America Samoa. And I think, you know, if we can all, thank you. But what I'm saying is that, you know, if we can all contribute like you have tonight, like you have in the telethon, the contributions that we make towards this team will help these doors to go out there. And like Tafar said before, they represent America Samoa. You know, the pride that they have, that they sleep with their gold medals and all that sort of stuff. But the contribution that you give tonight and throughout, you know, the period that you can keep giving for the focus and for the Special Olympics team, I just pray that you guys, if you can, please keep giving for our young people. Because I know for me to be able to live my dream as an entertainer and to be able to look after my family and things like that, it's all been through people like yourselves who always give back to the young people. And that's why I'm here tonight, is because I'm getting old now, my beard's gone grey, you know, and things like that. But that's the way my parents have taught me that, you know, son, oh, I keep pulling men for, you know, whatever I give, don't worry about it, son. Because like Reverend Yasebi said, you'll be amazed at what God will give back to you. So for tonight, as we have a, we're going to bring the bucket around but just for tonight, just keep in mind, you know, this week, Youth Day today, National Youth Day today, and to also keep in mind the youth that we could be sending to represent America Samoa at the World Games. And you know, I don't know if there's been anyone else from American Samoa that has won medals in any Olympic, but to have them win the Olympics, the Regional Olympics last year, I think that's a great achievement. So thank you for your love, thank you for supporting the cause, and looking forward to the rest of our night. We're going to have DJ, so enjoy your food. If we do get time later, I might come back on and tell another story, but for tonight, it'd be nice to mix and mingle, take photos, and just to thank you, all of you guys, for supporting the cause tonight. God bless.